Hello.
Hope for Cadbury's, hope for Cadbury's, hope for Cadbury's. Dairy milk with a glass and a half of that rich full cream milk.
I pray for the good Lord to bless you. So to bed, in dreams I will fondly caress you. For in dreams you're near and yet so far.
Yeah, it's been 2 weeks now, and it's really difficult to live in the house under renovation. The house is filthy, flies everywhere. I really can't wait to finish the renovation, but we just have to deal with it at this stage, and it's so depressing, but I hope it will be finished soon.
In dreams I will fondly caress you, for in dreams you're near and yet so far. I reach for you, but you're not there, my darling. So to bed I leave you, for dawn is ascending. So to bed, your kiss is the night's happy ending. We'll meet again tomorrow when the moon is soft and low. So to bed, good night.
This is really good. I'm really excited for our kitchen. We're almost halfway through. We're just waiting for the bench top to be put in. The guy from Bunnings will be coming here tomorrow or Monday to measure it, and I'm really excited to see it pull through. The dishwasher will be there, and I don't have to wash our dishes in a bathroom sink. So I'm really happy with what Rob did in here, and our kitchen is almost there, almost finished.
And land will come riding on a moonbeam. So to bed, don't let the darkness alarm you. I won't let the boogie harm you. Hold your teddy bear close to your heart as I hold you. And so to bed, good night.